How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can export map in QGIS. Now, basically, you could just finish editing your map in here. To make things faster, I'm going to be exporting this specific format right here. It doesn't really matter. The first thing that you want to navigate into is the print layout. So it's going to be this specific button. It's going to be called the print layout option. In here, you can name your map to whatever you want to. I'm going to be naming this into something like example map. Let's click on OK. And it's really important to import your map first by simply navigating through the add map option. And here you could draw the scale of your map and it will just import it automatically. And right after, at the top of the sections, we have the ability to export this specific map into an image, into an SVG file, or as a PDF. Let's try exporting this as an image. And then let's put it at our documents. And as you can see, it's going to be named as example map.png. Let's just click on save. Of course, you have some additional export options, but let's click save once more. And now if we navigate through the document files, we can now see the example map right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.